Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to enter training mode on Fortnite. Sometimes, right, if you're entering into training mode, you will be getting an error on Fortnite. This Fortnite game is launched on PC. You can try it on any other console as well, but all settings are same except mobile. Fortnite mobile version will have separate training mode. But here, right, if we need to enter onto training mode, once you launch the Fortnite, just click on this change. If you want to enter into training mode, you need to tap on this creative and click on this accept. You need to select this creative and click on this accept. So now tap this play button. So here, right, we need to select a server. So under island code, right, we need to tap on this island code. Here we need to enter the 12-digit island code, which is created by Epic Games itself for training. For training purpose, they have created this 832585326926. This is an island code. So you can see that here, details created by GREEKSWORDD. Play with your party, practice mode. This is a practice mode. So this map is made for you to improve your editing and aiming and building skills, or even challenge your friends in a build fight. Okay, now I'm gonna launch. Sometimes, right, I'll be getting an error. See, matchmaking error. We could not connect to the match. You can try again. But if the problem, it is gone. If you're getting continuously with this error message, there is a workaround. You can enter into practice mode. That is very simple. Again, tap on this play button. Now we need to select the server, not island code. We need to select this create. Create your own unique games. Launch this. I will be providing that 12-digit island code, for practice mode in the descriptions. You can copy that. Now we are in creative mode. So for that, right, you need to go to directly. Just go here. So here, right, we can change the destination here itself. So here, right, use console. You can change the destination here. So you can go any of this creation. So any of these creations you can go, and you need to enter here. Just over your mouse on this console, press on E. Here, right, we need to enter the island code. Now I'm going to enter the training code. Enter the practice mode island code 832585326926. So island found. You can see that here, created by GREEKSWORDD, practice mode. Now I need to accept this. So automatically it will be changed. It says still loading. Super cool. Now we are in training mode. See this? Now we are in practice mode. GREEKSWORDD. To support your creator. Okay. This map is made for you to improve as a competitive player. This map will help you with your aiming, editing, and building. You can also change your friends and other people in your build fight. To start the game, I need to press E. You can see the code on top of the screen. So now I'm in training mode. Super cool. Now you can learn whatever you want. So easy, medium, hard, very easy. See this? Gedit. Confirm. So now I set the door. It will be very easy to practice. Gedit. And again, I'm going to set the door. Confirm. E. We need to take a lot of practice here. So gedit. I'm going to set the door here. Open. Good job. Now use the launchpad to get back to spawn. Okay, cool. All right. So I can go and launch the launchpad. Super cool. That's it. Now this is a free build. Now press this X button. Rotate. Build. See this? Z. Build. Z. Build. See this? So I have built a wall. And press V. You can see that on top of that. Now you can set the door as well. Gedit. I can set the door here. Confirm. Open it. You can do the practice here. And even for shooting, you can take the guns and you can try for it. Pick it and change it to rifles. So once the training is all right, you can do that here as well. G. I'm going to set the door. E. I'm going to choose F. Super cool. Take the gun. I'm going to give headshot. Super. That's it, friends. This is the way you can enter into practice mode on Fortnite. If you're getting any error right on Island code, you can use this method to enter on practice mode. Hope this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye, friends, and take care.